Thank you for choosing iSpring Water Systems. The US21B Series Direct Connect Under-Sink Water Filter System is designed to provide a continuous supply of on-demand water for drinking and cooking right from your tap. This powerful filter has the equivalent horsepower of a whole-house water filtration system while fitting compactly right under your sink. For an easy installation process, please watch the following video, and you'll soon be enjoying your new water filter system. Before we begin, please check that all parts were included in your US21B package, and be sure to have all the required tools at hand. The system unit should be placed on a flat surface or mounted on a wall. The system's operating temperature is 41 degrees to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not connect the system to a hot water line. The system and filter combination is intended for under-sink use. The system is designed for use with municipal water. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using the system in well water settings. System preparation. Step 1. Unwrap the filters and insert them into the filter housings, making sure that the center knob at the bottom of the housing fits securely in the filter's central hole. Step 2. Verify that the housing O-ring is properly seated inside the groove of the filter housings. Then verify that the filter cartridge O-ring is properly seated on top of the filters. Step 3. Screw the first stage filter housing with the filter attached onto the cap near the water inlet port. Screw the second stage filter housing with the filter attached onto the cap near the water outlet port. Turn the housing in the clockwise direction by hand, then using the housing wrench to tighten it another 1/4 to 1/2 inch turn to ensure a snug fit. Do not over-tighten, as this may cause leaks and add unnecessary difficulty to future filter replacement. Step 4. Apply 8 to 12 wraps of plumber's tape to the threads of both inlet and outlet hoses to prevent leaks. Step 5. Screw the water inlet hose to system's water inlet port. Screw the water outlet hose to system's water outlet port. Use a wrench to tighten until both hoses are snug. Installation. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out the air and water in the connector pipe. Step 2. Unscrew the faucet connector pipe. Be sure to catch excess water from the pipe with a towel. Step 3. Place the system on a flat surface under the sink. Connect the system water inlet hose to the cold water supply valve. Step 4. Connect the system water outlet hose to the faucet connect. Apply plumber's tape if needed. Step 5. Slowly turn on the cold water supply valve. The sound of water entering the system will stop after a few minutes. Check for leaks on all connections. Step 6. Turn on the faucet and run cold water for 10 minutes to expel any carbon fines. Turn off the faucet when finished. Filter replacement. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out the air and water in the connector pipe. Step 2. Press the red pressure release button on top of the machine head to release the pressure in the system. Step 3. Turn the housings in a counterclockwise direction with a housing wrench to remove them. Be prepared to catch water with a towel or bucket. Step 4. Unwrap and replace the filters. Screw the housings back to the cap. Use the housing wrench to tighten the housings another 1/4 to 1/2 of a turn to ensure they are snug. Do not over-tighten, as this may cause leaks and add difficulty to future filter replacement. Step 5. Place the system back in its desired location under the sink and slowly turn on the cold water supply valve. The sound of water entering the system will stop after a few minutes. Check for leaks at all connections. Step 6. Turn on the faucet and run the cold water for 10 minutes to expel any carbon fines. Turn off the faucet when finished. Congratulations! Your iSpring water filtration system installation is now complete. You can now enjoy clean and refreshing water right from your faucet. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for being a valued iSpring customer, and thank you for watching.